Hello, everyone. I hope you're okay. Let's start our weekly analysis starting from tonight later on. In UK, it will be 15th, uh, and if you trade New York session, will be 16th. Right. And just before I go to my analysis, just a very important thing that I have a live stream almost every day, a live YouTube chart on TradingView, and you can see live analysis. So apart from this weekly analysis, you can get help from the levels which I mark, and market normally moves from those levels. If you have good risk to reward ratio, you can definitely benefit from that. This is my YouTube channel, and let me show you uh, what's okay. This one, this is Bitcoin chart. On at weekend, I normally put Bitcoin chart analysis on live. Uh, so let's go back. And you'll see the gold chart. It's not on this. Okay, I'll go to my other YouTube live charts. Okay. Because the stream is more than, I think it's more than 12 hours, so the chart doesn't the YouTube doesn't keep record of if it's more than 12 hours. But anyway, we go to previous chart. How I mark the levels and how you can take trades. This is 2 weeks ago. And see the market rejects from those levels. It's rejected from those levels, the levels I mark. You go a bit further. If I go start, let's go to, this is not a very long video, so I'll go to a different, this one. You will see, it's this is the Asian, these are Asian levels, zones, and then the green ones and the green lines, and the yellow one, they are Tokyo. Sorry, they are Asian or Tokyo, and the green ones are London ones. Right, and this green zone, this is green. This is just support and resistance. The daily one normally I use a red level for the daily. Anyway, let's move on. You'll see how the market reacts from the levels, and during the day I change those levels as well. And go back. So what's the market doing? Gonna come down. If it break the levels, so on the break of level, you can see we are trading opportunity. So we go to smaller time frame, we can find the opportunity, trading opportunities. And let's see further what happens. Let me let this ad move forward, and okay. See, this broke the daily level as well. Now there's a level here. The market reacted from this level exactly with this candle, and now it should go to the upside, which it's doing that. But then we have a daily level here, red one. So let's see what happens there. If it breaks to the upside, we'll have a buy trade. If it's just a test, it can go further to the downside. So that you can work out in smaller time frame. And if you need any help to further how to look at it, you can always send me a message and I'll explain to you. Right. Anyway, that's just an introduction. And also I'll be putting some more videos on this YouTube channel, and you will have a greater help, not only the levels, but how to trade and what structures and things like that. And you don't need much information to trade. As long if you stick with a good risk to reward ratio, and if you know your levels, then you can make good money out of the market. You don't need to know everything which on the YouTube and so many terminologies and everything. You just don't need to know. Just basics you need to know, and just stick with those. And if you have good risk to reward ratio and good trade management, you can make money. Okay, let's head towards our analysis, and starting from 16th, the Monday. Forex Factory, 1:30 p.m. Empire State Manufacturing Index. We have medium impact news. And Tuesday, we got 1:30 core retail sales and retail sales. That's 1:30 p.m. and it's heavy impact. Wednesday, we have heavy impact news 7 p.m. That's federal funds rate. The interest, that's a very important day, and the market may move well after that. So let's see what happens on the Wednesday. And next one, we got heavy impact on 1:30 p.m. and unemployment claims. And Friday, we have only medium impact. So you can look in the news. So we got heavy impact, medium impact. But just a brief overview for you. I didn't go into detail, but at least you know what's going on. We got quite a few news, and also we have federal funds rate on Wednesday. So that's a very important day. And we probably see a very huge movement. Now coming to the chart, this is weekly. Sorry, let's start from monthly and see what's happening. And monthly we can see is a very bullish structure at the moment. And we have this monthly level here. Let me change the color for you. Right. So this is the previous month level. And when we have this level as well, with no very strong level, and going on to weekly, on weekly, this is a level as well. So I did say the market may move. It may come down to this level here, 2460, and then go to the upside. But I didn't, only came up to 2470. So 100 pips difference. And market is very bullish. And as you can see how it is making bullish structures. So currently, where the market stands at the moment is still bullish, and this very bullish candle, as you can see. So what can happen here now? Market may come down a little bit, at least up to this level, and then may go to the upside again. At this level, which is 2530 level. In fact, if I move this to the upside to align with this candle, yeah, 2532 levels. So around 2530, say. Because this candle is a very big candle, so hopefully it may come down to test this and then come back up. So in this week, we move of 2486 to 2586. So about 1,000 $100, which is 1,000 pips move this week alone. So if somebody took a trade here last week, they're definitely going in good profit. So going on to daily, yeah, we have this structure level. So definitely we can test, market can test this level before to the move, go to the upside. And if it has to come down, it's a 4-hour level now. Then it has to break this level here, 25.15 level. Has to break this to come further to the downside. But let's see how the market will behave. Anyway, these are just the weekly levels. As I said before, if you want help with daily trading, I have a live chart with levels almost every day. At the weekend, I normally have for Bitcoin. So I hope this is helpful, and thank you very much. Have a good day. Good night.